I found my Sons of Liberty. See, it is the Brush Fire of the Mind. Man, John Shepard was awesome on this CD. I like to see him go in this direction on the next I Stir when he reforms. I Stir or what he wants to do. But then I like the CD. Here's the inserts. And I like the booklet for it a lot. There's the lyrics on both. One side has lyrics, the other side has artwork for each song. Sometimes. Another artwork. I love this CD a lot. I gave my family friend the digipack version of it. Then listen to it. And I hope he likes it. It's good and makes you think of what's going on in the world too. Very powerful stuff, man. There's the back. I love this CD a lot, man. And I know it's hard to find the music of this on YouTube and on other places, but man, I recommend that CD, man. It's good, very epic, very political. If you like political metal, and it's amazing. Mellow Rules.